Today we'll be demonstrating the installation of Torklift part F3006. Starting off, slide the sleeve adapter over the crimped end of the tie-down receiver and slide the assembly into the factory trailer hitch cross tube. Install the retainer bracket onto the protruding threads and place the bevel washer, lock washer, and acorn nut onto the threads. Make sure that the bevel washer's thin side faces the inside of the vehicle. Tighten the acorn nut until the lock washer is pressed flat, then tighten an additional 3/4 of a turn. Repeat these steps on the opposite side of the vehicle. Please note, the adapter sleeves may not be needed depending on the OEM tube size. When ready, you can install the tie-down inserts into the receiver and secure with the 1/4-inch pin.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.